welcome back to my channel. So I'm very happy and excited for this video because this is my first Valentine's video. I'm hoping to do another one. So today I'm doing this super highlighted glittery makeup look. It's so beautiful and it's perfect for a Valentine's date night. I'm so in love with the eyes, guys. It's just glittery and super sparkly, and the lips is also a little bit shimmery. Also, I just wanted to say quickly that this might be the last video with me and my long hair, guys. The next video most likely you guys will be seeing, I will have short hair. I'm kinda excited, but I'm kind of nervous as well to cut my hair off, but the ends are very dry and I have split ends, so I need to get rid of all of this, and the color is like I'm just excited to get rid of the damage here. And yeah, so my next Valentine's video I will be filming, I will definitely have shorter hair. I'm just so nervous and excited at the same time, but it's just here. If I don't like it, it will grow back. But yeah, so yeah, guys, so if you really want to see how I created this beautiful, gorgeous, glittery eyes, then keep watching. Okay, so let's get to it, and I need to prime my face. So I'm going to start by priming my face, and the first product that I'm using here is the fARSALI Unicorn Beauty Elixir. I'm just going to drop some. And it really does feel tacky. I've been using this for quite a while and I do love it. Mine's is like almost maybe 1/3 left. Okay, so now we are all tacky and ready for foundation. But first off, I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Mattifying Primer. And as you've seen in my past videos, I do like this for the eyelid area. It really does keep the eyeshadow on extremely long, guys. And a little bit under my eye as well. I think I want to go in with my eyebrows first before I start my foundation. So I am going to go off camera and get these eyebrows done, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. My eyebrows are all done and it's a bit high and low, but I always have problems with my eyebrows, so we're just going to deal with them just the way they are. Okay, so onto foundation, and here I'm just using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, the Pro Filt'r one, and as I mentioned, my number is 330. So I'm just going to shake it up a little bit and apply some foundation to my skin. Okay, and I'm just going to go in with my Morphe Y6 and blend this into my skin. Oh, I forgot to color correct. My goodness. Oh well, I guess today we are just not color correcting. I can still color correct my under eye area because I didn't apply any foundation there. Okay, I'm still gonna go in and try to color correct, and here I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline Mastercamo color correcting crayon, and this is number 50. It's Apricot for dark circles. So I'm just gonna twist it up a little bit, get some product, and apply it to my dark circles. Now I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender and softly blend this out. Okay, and this part is beautiful, but the only thing is it dries a little bit too quickly. But that's okay, you just gotta work faster. Okay, so next on to concealer, and here I'm just gonna go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Nothing new here again. I'm just going to apply some concealer to my under eye area to hide these dark circles. And some on my forehead, down my nose, straight down my face. And next I'm just going to go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder, and this is in the shade 005 Silky Beige. So I'm just going to go in and lightly dust this over my eye area where I applied the concealer, just to set everything. I like to just stamp the product into my skin so that it basically sort of like goes into all those fine lines, and I like using this brush for that purpose. This is the Morphe E8, so it gets into all the fine lines, and basically the powder sits into the lines and fills it nicely. So you get a flawless base basically. So before I go in to set the rest of my face with powder, I'm just going to go in with my fARSALI Jelly Beam. I'm just going to pick up a little bit on my fingers and tap it along this area, the high points of my cheek. I'm just basically going to use my finger to blend this out a little bit. I have been wanting to use this product since I got it, and I'm now using it. So you get that nice, soft, gentle glow. I mean, you can definitely build this up to be, you know, that pow highlighter, but I'm just gonna have a gentle, subtle glow for now. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with my Cover FX matte setting powder, and I'm just basically going to set the rest of my face now. So let me just go over this with the beauty blender just to tap out, you know, all the creases, make everything smooth again, and now I'm gonna set it. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm just going to go in with my Too Faced Just Peachy matte palette. Yeah, so I'm just going to go in with this color right here, and it's called Just Peachy. I'm just going to use this color as an all over eye wash. So I'm taking it mostly into the crease area and just sort of winging it out a little bit. Bring it down to the inner corner a little bit more. See, I'm trying to concentrate it here, so I can get most color here and then just blend, you know, outwards. Okay, again, I'm just going to take it up a little bit higher, so when I open my eye like normal, you can actually see some of the color. Okay, so I'm going to leave that palette for now because I think that's all the color I want to use from that palette. And now I'm just going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora highlighting palette, and we are going to create this super highlighted eye look, highlighted with glitter as well. So I'm just going to go in with this shade here, and it's called Lyra. I'm just going to pick up some of that on a brush. I want to pack this down onto my eyelids, so I hope it works. Let me see. Yeah, so I'm just using the MAC 242 brush. So we are going to have a super highlighted glittery eye look, guys. Trust me, it's going to look so pretty. As you can see how pretty that is already. And the thing with this eye look, guys, is according to the way the light hits your eyes, it's going to show a little bit of a different color. So I'm just going to go back in and just blend the crease area out a little bit. So moving on to the eyeliner, guys, I'm just going to use my Maybelline Curvitude liner, and this is the bent tip one. So I'm just going to create my wing. So I'm just going to create my line first. So next I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner, and I'm just going to go in with this and apply this all over the area where I applied the highlighter. See how pretty that looks. And just keep in mind, guys, when you're using this, you just gotta keep your eyes open and avoid blinking so that, you know, it can dry. Okay, so I'm gonna let this one dry before I apply the other one. Okay, and I'm going to let this dry too. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in and finish up the rest of my face, like, you know, bronzing, highlighting, all that stuff. And here I'm just gonna go in with my Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm just going to pick up the contouring shade, and I'm just going to contour a little bit. I'm actually afraid to contour my nose because of last time. You know, I didn't really actually contour my nose in a triangle, guys. I have a softbox light facing me this direction and another softbox light facing me this direction, so I guess the shadow it created made it look like I contoured my nose in a triangle, but I didn't. As you can see already, the shape of my nose, and I haven't really contoured yet, and it's already looking like, you know, there is a triangle already. So I'm just going to stop right there because I don't want to bring it down to make it look like I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, whatever is left on my brush, I'm just dragging it down. I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender and blend this out a little bit. I'm just going to take the same contouring shade and contour my forehead area. Next, I'm going to move on to blush, and here I'm just using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Radiant Blush Kit, and I'm going to pick up some of this color over here, and it's called Coastline. Okay, so we are going to highlight now, and I'm going to go back into the Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going to pick up some of that same color, guys, Lyra. I just want to stick to the same tone of highlight, and just pop it onto the previous highlight that I have going on here. That's even more glow now. Wow, that's like so glowy. I'm so in love with this highlighting kit. Wow, it's just beautiful. So I'm just going to switch brushes and go back in with Lyra, and I'm going to apply it to my eyebrow area. I'm just going to go in with my finger and apply some to my nose. Use my finger again. Apply some to the top of my lip. Give myself a highlight mustache. And some on my chin. Oh, I also forget to highlight the inner corners of my eye. Then tap a little bit in there. Okay, so as you've noticed, I didn't use anything on my lower lash line because I just want the lower lash line to be a little bit bare. I didn't want to add anything to it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to tightline the upper lashes, and I'm just going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Matte Eyeliner Pencil, and I'm just going to use this to tightline. And when I blink my eyes, some of it will just transfer to my lower lashes naturally. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with some mascara, and I'm just going to comb out my eyelashes. Okay, and then I'm going to curl them. And no surprise here, the mascara I'm using is my CoverGirl Total Tease, because this is just my favorite. So with this look, you can definitely apply some false lashes, guys, but I'm not going to because I think I have enough lashes with the mascara only. It is looking a lot from what I'm seeing. Plus, I don't want to put on too much of a heavy lashes where you can't really see all that glitter. So the less volume you have on your lashes, you are going to be able to see all this beautiful glitter and glamour. Okay, so next I'm just going to go in with my Huda Beauty Lip Contour Pencil, and this is in the shade Trendsetter. And I'm just going to fill my entire lips in with this. And next I'm just going to go in with my Urban Decay Naked lip gloss, and this is in the shade Naked. I'm just going to top this all over my entire lip. And this lip gloss, guys, has a little bit of a sort of a shimmer to it. Okay guys, so this is the final look. It's super glittery and sparkly and beautiful. I did not use anything on my lower lash line because, as you can tell, the black eyeliner that I used to tightline transferred just enough for the lower lash line. Other than that, guys, this look is gorgeous, perfect, super perfect for Valentine's Day. The nude lip is super glossy and the eyes are super glittery. So that's it, guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. This is my first Valentine's makeup look. I hope so. I'm hoping to do another one. But this is my first one, guys, and it's beautiful. I love it. Don't forget, guys, you can also follow me on Instagram. You can check the description box for the link. So that's it, guys. I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye. And I just want to pick up this light color here, and it's called Mint Peach. No, it's called just Peachy. I just came up with my own name.